Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options guy and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, such a trending day on the upside, right? Bank in both Bank Nifty as well as Nifty, right? Although I was expecting that Nifty would trend more today, but if you see, Nifty did not really do a lot of momentum, right? So what can we expect for tomorrow? Like yesterday, I was expecting that Nifty will reach somewhere like 17,600, right? Today could reach 17,600 today. I had given a target, but anyways, if you see, Nifty did not really trend much today, but you still, if you would be holding your position, you would be in profits. Or if you would have even exited at the end, say at 3 p.m., you would have gotten good profits, right? Even today also, you would have easily gotten 50 points, right? But as I said yesterday, that do keep a stop loss of like 40 points to 50 points, right? That's why I said, because if you see in the first candle itself, we broke above 17,400, but we saw this a little bit of pullback, right? Now, if you would have kept your small stop loss of 20 points or something, it would have easily gotten hit over here, and you would be out of the trade, right? And you would have missed this trend then. So that's why sometimes you have to keep a little bit of big stop losses to kind of accommodate for these types of movements, right? Anyways, if we see Bank Nifty also, as I said, above 350, you guys can go ahead and buy over here. Your target should be this high of 530. But if you see, Bank Nifty just continuously moved up, right? Like what I was expecting is that Bank Nifty would take some sort of resistance here, 40,600 and all these levels, wait over here. But if you see, Bank Nifty took a resistance a little bit higher near 40,700 and then continued to move up over here, right? But now what the thing is that now buyers have an upper hand in the market, right? If you see, both Bank Nifty has also broken out of a double bottom pattern, right? Buyers have a very good upper hand over here. Nifty also looks pretty good over here, right? If you see, Nifty also is kind of breaking out of a you can say inverted head and shoulders pattern, but yeah, even if you see, it's kind of also looking like a double bottom pattern, right? So from here, buyers have a very good upper hand to take the market up from it. They have a very good opportunity to go ahead and make buy positions over here, right? So tomorrow also, what we could expect is a continuation of this trend on the upside, right? At least until 17,600 over here, right? So tomorrow, what you guys can do over here, very simple. As soon as we open, once we cross 17,467, you guys can go ahead and start making bullish positions over here. Or what you guys can do for more confirmation over here is that you guys can, once we go above 17,467 or 470 to be precise, once we go above that, you guys can go ahead and make half quantity of your positions. And once we sustain 17,480, then you guys can go ahead and add full quantity to your bullish position for the target of 17,600 on the upside, right? That's for Nifty if you open flat, right? Now, if you open with a gap down, things will be a little bit, think you will have to wait a little bit and see exactly where the market is moving, right? So tomorrow, say if you open with a gap down near 17,420, 17,400, wait for the first 15 minutes, see exactly how the first 15 minutes are going on. If the first 15 minutes itself, if you say that there is not a good lot of buying happening in the market, you guys can then go ahead and short, right? So if say, just give me a sec. Yeah, if we make even this type of candle, right, wait for a little bit more time and see exactly what is happening, right? If you are seeing that in the 5 minute chart we are making lower lows consistently, then you guys can go ahead and take short positions over here, because then what will happen is that Nifty is on a very crucial stage, right? Over here, if we go down from here, the buyers who would have gotten accumulated over here, now they will start panicking and they will start squaring off their position, which will mean that the market will continue to move down from here, right? So yeah, tomorrow, if we open with a big gap down, big or considerable gap down, then wait for the first 15 minutes, see exactly where the market is moving, how exactly is the market moving, right? If in the 5 minute chart, the Bank Nifty, if Nifty is making consistently lower lows, then you guys can go ahead and take sell position over here, right? Or bearish position over here. On the upside, even if you open with a gap up, right, if you are holding your position, hold it. If you're holding your position overnight, just hold it for tomorrow, do not worry. But if you open with a gap up, say somewhere near 17,500, 520, all these levels, wait for a pullback till at least 17,480, 480 to 460, this level. Once we reach this level, then go ahead and create bullish position. There is no need to hurry over here, because from here also we will get a good trend in the coming days on the upside too, right? If we sustain, if the buyers sustain over, we will get a good trend, so do not worry about that. You will get many more opportunities in the market every day, right? So even if we lose one opportunity, it's all right. And what you can do after, so say in the first half itself we reach 17,600, right? And if over here we make some sort of a pattern, say a double top pattern or kind of a head and shoulders pattern, then you guys can go ahead and take a sell position. But keep in mind, the general sentiment is of buying right now, so keep very less quantity in selling, right? So just in case if the market, makes a bearish pattern over here and starts moving down again, you could capture a little bit of profits, right? So keep small quantity when you are trying to create bearish position over here, right? Even if it go tomorrow below 17,400, keep small quantity for one day. Keep small quantity in bearish position, because we need to see exactly how the market reacts when it comes down, right? Over here, if the market is like, if the buyers are very strong and they take the market up from here, you lose very less, but you stand to gain good enough money if we continue to move down from here, right? Now, talking about Bank Nifty, if you see, again, very simple thing, Bank Nifty also making a double bottom pattern and breaking out, right? So over here, the buyers have an upper hand. So if the buyers would be very strong, they would take the market up very much from here, right? So very simple. Tomorrow, if we open flat or a little bit upside or on the downside with a gap down, wait for crossing this day's high of 40,720, right? 720, 730, whatever. But once we go above 40,730 over here, then you guys can go ahead and take a buy position. Your target should be 40,950. If you see this high over here, this should be your target, right? Keep your target till there, and once we reach there, you guys can go ahead and exit your position. So if you're shorting options over here tomorrow, since tomorrow is an expiry, right? So if you're shorting options of 40,600, 500, all these levels, just hold on to your position for the rest of the day, because probably what will happen is that once we go up over here, we could come down a little bit. But I think what will happen is that if the buyers would be strong, we will close somewhere near 40,900 or 41,000, or at least not below 40,800 over here, right? Anyways, on the downside, very simple. Do not, as I said, do not be very aggressive with your bearish positions over here, because things are looking good for the bulls over here. So you do not want to go very aggressive on the bearish side, at least for now, right? Very simple. Tomorrow, once below this low, say if we open the gap down 40,560, 550, all these levels, wait for, first of all, price action, and wait for a 15-minute closing below this low, right? If we get a 15-minute closing below this low of 40,525, 510, all these levels, then go ahead and create bearish position. But as I said, wait one day to go aggressive on the bearish side, because we still are in a sentiment of buying. So we will know tomorrow itself what exactly has the sentiment changed exactly or not, right? So do not create very aggressive bearish positions tomorrow, right? On the upside, if you open with a gap up, say somewhere near 40,850, 40,900, wait for a pullback till 40,720. Even if we do not get a pullback, it's all right. You guys can, skip a trade. It's all right. You will get many more opportunities in the market. Do not run behind just one opportunity that, oh my God, it's a gap up, I need to catch this trend. No, it's all right. You can get many more opportunities in the market in the coming days, right? Every day you get new opportunities. Anyways, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Tomorrow, what I am expecting is that if the buyers have a lot of conviction over here, they will take the market up from here and they will not wait, because markets already have fallen a lot, and this is a very good place for buyers to start buying, right? As I also said in my weekly analysis video, that if the sellers would be strong, they would take the market down from here very fast, right? But if you see, we made a bullish engulfing candle over here itself, which is a very good sign for the buyer side, because it shows that the sellers are not really interested in selling at this stage in the market, right? In Nifty also, if you see, there is a good amount of space till 17,580 on the upside, where we have 200 EMA. So tomorrow also we could expect a very good green candle over here. Anyways, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.